alam mo naman na hindi puro malalakas na palo lang ang binibigay ni Maru.
Sanay kasi sa beach volley, kaya gano'n
Up to now, maglalaro pa rin siya sa beach volley. At saka syempre, katapat mo yun, nasa utility ka.
Yes.
So,
Blocker din ako niyan pala.
Oo, Ruby. Good serve. Tabaquero gets there. Here's the attack now coming from Tipachot. Makita ka agad natin yung power na ibibigay. Ibibigay kay Maizo. Trying to go over everybody. Ito ngayon si Roses. Panatikla. Dug up there. Pero walang second ball na magagaling sa salon ni Tabaquero.
Ang bilis ng bola, ang bilis ng palo.
Eh nga masasabi natin dito, first set pa lang, medyo nangangapa pa. So take a look at this again, Michelle. Tamo si Panatikla, varying her attack that time.
Blocking didn't work for Yolanda that time. It went through her hands talaga.
Oo. Ruby, matalim na serve. Nakuha naman ni Tabaquero. Soraya on the back set. Tipachot! Yes! Ayan, 17 pa lang yan, Michelle, ha?
And she's not that tall.
Oo.
Hindi siya ganun katangkad. Ang taas lumundag. Parang si number 5 ng Smart.
Si Soltones.
Soltones. Taas din tumalon.
Slow-mo brought to us here by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. And now Weneth Eulalio, formerly of the Far Eastern University, to put it in play. Matalim na serve. Sobrang talim na pumunta na lang sa net.
Ay, nakulangan ata ng power.
Nakulangan din ng lunch siguro yun, malamang.
Nakapag-lunch ka na ba?
Oo, no problem pagdating sa lunch.
Never skip it.
Never skip anything. Charo Soriano, ito yung pinag-uusapan namin, one of the rare breed of players na pumayat palalo nung tumigil sa kanyang college career. Here's Aiza Maizo again going down the line. Charo was late.
That was the second time she went down the line and the second time na namatay din naman.
Oo.
So I think Smart has to talagang change their defensive strategy pagdating sa likod kasi alam naman nila lahat ng kayang gawin ni Aiza Maizo.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League, and I guess that's the best time to strike pag wala yung libero dun sa likuran.
Yes.
As Nika Guliman gets it across. Soraya, that's going to be a setting violation. Kontra dito kay Pomla Soraya, they call a lifting. So 7-4, babasa tatlong kalamangan dito ng Rising Suns.
Nasa backline kasi siya eh. Normally pag gano'n, mabilis yung bola, tinatip in or dinadrop ng setters eh.
Soraya trying to be a little inventive dun sa kanyang pagsalon. Nice serve here coming from Banatikla. Service ace from Maru.
As you can see sa game, Noel, talagang service yung gumagawa ng puntos for this team, for both teams, na talagang dun sila kumukuha ng puntos.
And so far so good para naman dito kay Maru. Leading scorer of the squad so far. This time, Jonella gets to it. Eto ngayon si Angge. Airborne! Ako, hirap talaga pigilan si Angge. Pag pumailang lang, 8-5. Ang kalamangan ngayon ng Cagayan Valley over Smart Maynila. Kami po'y magbabalik. Well, ladies and gentlemen, dito po sa darating na Biyernes at 1 p.m. Meralco kontra FEU sa GMA News TV. Pakilala na po natin ang ating pangatlong miyembro ng ating panel, Rina Villamor.
Thank you, Noah. Well, in this kind of matchup, ang importante sa kanilang tanungin is ano bang mas importante, ang talent o ang skill nila? According to Coach Ness, ang pinaka-importante dito yung skills nila na nahuhon nila during their practices. Sabi nga niya, it's very important for them to play smart in today's ball game. And a smart volleyball player must be well-versed in both tactical and technical skills. Importante rin na maging consistent sila sa larong ito dahil ayaw nilang maulit yung nangyari sa kanila against the Air Force team na naging complacent sila during that second set. Meanwhile, a quick update on some of their players. Itong si Joy Benting, yung dalawang tuhod nga niya ay injured. Itong left knee niya ay may MCL. It's not completely torn kaya hindi naman kailangan ng surgery. Itong right knee naman ni Joy Benting ay may pain due to some weaknesses brought about by the muscles on the shin bone and thigh bone also.
I'll stay with you right now, Rina. No? Sino dyan? Joy Benito o Angela Benting? Dalawa yan
sorry, si Joy Benito. Si Joy Benito, ito. Yung left knee niya na may MCL at itong right knee naman niya na may pain. Ito naman si Aiza Maizo, may left elbow strain naman ito. Brought about by a soft block on one of Rose Vargas hit during one of their practices.
Thank you very much for the update. So it is actually Joy Benito na alam naman natin perennial problem sa kanyang tuhod. Actually suffered an ACL injury nung kanyang college days with San Sebastian. So at least na makikita natin Pau Soriano. Earlier pumasok na sa ating front line. Si Pau Soriano naman kakabunot lang ng dalawang wisdom tooth.
Siguro
Sakit
yun
nun.
din ang naging thankful ako nung naglaro ako na no knee injury. Puro ankle sprain, the normal ankle sprain, pero walang major injury talaga na nangyari.
Well, that's very lucky for you because a
Yes.
lot of these players talaga, like si Charo Soriano also had an ACL injury before when she was playing para sa kupunan ng Ateneo. Ngayon, 10-7, Cagayan Valley may kalamangan na tatlo. Matalim na serve galing dito kay Angge. Labanan sa net, almost put away by Tipachot. Rachel Soltones ngayon. Nakakuha doon ni Jonela. Down the middle, once again for Tipachot. Ruby De Leon, kailangan umatake na. Doon naman si Angge. Tipachot once again. Going, keeping it alive. Eto ngayon si Ruby, masyado malapit. And Sue Roses. One more time around. Ruby, aba, alam ko, atake si Going eh.
Kaya niya yan.
Oh, Soraya, great dig by Going.
Nice.
And Soltones will
And
miss.
it goes by.
Sayang.
But it was close. You gotta admit that was really close.
Saka makita, nasulat ko nga once, ito si Melissa Going, wants to be a broadcaster like yourself, but she can only do that if she stops defying gravity.
She's doing a lot of
Oh,
things.
dami. 11-7 right
I think
now.
that was her first rally, no?
Oo, first very long rally. And we're gonna have a rotation violation because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Hindi pala dapat si Soraya ang nag-serve. Dapat si Angge.
At least inamin talaga nila. Alam nila, as you can see on their faces, na mali talaga yung nangyari.
And very quick, of course, yung ating officials. Pwede naman magtanong. Yun ang kagandahan sa volleyball. Hindi tayo sure. Sino ba ang serve? Pwede mo naman tanongin yun eh.
Actually, pwede ka na talaga magtanong.
Oo. Soltones, eto na yung wicked jump serve niya. Hala, Jonela, ganda sana ng reception. Hindi na naabutan ni Soraya. At si Jonela, nagsa-challenge sa mga ganyan.
Sa key kasi pagdating sa jump serve, it's consistency. It's very deadly, pero talagang pag nagkamali ka, malaki ang chance sa tuloy-tuloy na.
And I noticed later on in your career, nag-develop ka na rin ng konting jump serve, Michelle, ha?
Jump float.
Jump float ba yun?
Never ako nakakuha ng jump serve.
Oh, there it is. Tipachot going down the middle. Nawala si Goy sa zone 6 at easy put away. So 12-9 right now for the Rising Suns against Sue Roses on your screens. Nakausap natin si Coach Roger kanina. May konting karamdaman ngayon. So not 100%. Ang problema naman sa Smart, wawalo lang kanilang player ngayon. So,
Delikado pag talaga napagod ang isang player, wala silang pamalit na malalim na bench.
the only player that the non-libero who's on the bench right now is Jem Ferrer, who's a setter. Jonela gets to that one.
But it was
Eto.
outside. I
Oo.
can see it was outside na.
Pero buhay pa rin ang bola rito. Here's Ruby going to Maru. At binuhay, panandalian ni Eulalio, pero putos siya para sa Smart Maynila. Ito, dalawa na lang, Michelle, ang hinahabol ngayon.
Napasigaw
ng
si
Net
Coach
Spikers.
Ness dun sa
Oo.
kinuha ni Janela. Alam niya rin na outside. Napasigaw talaga siya.
Well, si Jonela kept the point alive at the wrong time. Ito ngayon, Ruby De Leon. Matalim na serve na naman. Soraya going to Aiza Maizo, and Maizo will miss.
She loves that down the line hit.
Oo.
Siguro talaga yun yung major target pag down the line kasi alam niyang wala talagang tao.
Ikaw rin, may down the line na attack ka rin from that utility spot, correct?
Yes.
And I think it's one of the trainings ng mga utility spikers kasi hindi naman pangkaraniwang pumupunta yung bola doon sa utility spot. Kaya sabi nga ni Andre Mulya, 70% of the attacks go to the open.
Kasi hindi mo rin masasabi kung maganda ang defense ng libero mo.
Right.
If maganda, dun pupunta sa gitna. But if not, your utility is parang contingency na lang.
Right.
Pag kailangan mo pa ng isang spiker, back up.
But now it's Maizo point to the open spot that time and trying to get the point pero maganda rin depensa ang nilaro doon nitong si Maruban at Tiklan. Ako, tingnan mo ito, Michelle, isa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Cagayan Valley. They were up 5-0 earlier.
But that was a net violation.
Yes.
I think she was... Yes, it
Yun
was
ang
a net
tinawag, yeah.
violation. But it was a smart move.
And now for the net spikers, Charo Soriano, probably one of the smartest volleyball players out there. Former captain of Ateneo, former head coach here in the Shakey's V-League nung nanalo Ateneo noong 2011.
Were you part already?
Oh yeah, I was here. I saw that. I covered that championship match. And Aiza Maizo scoring again. Actually, matagal na ako dito sa Shakey's V-League, 2007 pa. No? Tumanda na ako dito.
Hindi na nila kailangan malaman. Secret.
Here's the serve once again. Tipachot, Going gets to it. Lipat naman dito kay Banatikla. Aiza Maizo, second ball, natakam. Yan tuloy, napunta sa net.
Yun ang advantage ng mga left-handed spikers.
Ah.
Kaya nila kunin yung second ball kahit hindi na kailangan iset sa kanila ng kanilang mga setters.
Ang problema nga lang dito, dahil sa mga errors ng Rising Suns, Michelle, isa na lang ang kanilang kalamangan.
And as you mentioned earlier, from 5 points
Yeah.
na lamang kanina.
Soraya ngayon, going to Pau Soriano. Backset ngayon para dito kay Sue Roses. Dug up there by Jonella. Soraya, backline attack.
Great defense by both teams.
And Sue with the runner. Soraya, binuhay pa rin. Pao Soriano, wala sa pwesto. Tabla tuloy tayo, 14 all.
This is amazing na kahit hindi mo kakilala yung setter mo, kahit galing ibang bansa pa setter mo, nagkakaintindihan pa rin sila sa loob ng court.
Well, I'm sure either natuto sila mag-Thai o tinuruan nila mag-English yung setter nila.
Sign language. Jen
Oo.
of the art of sign
Right.
language.
Soraya ngayon. Maizo. Banatikla to her